Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this gorgeous little tree using 2 trees from the Dollar Tree and a bucket. Stay tuned, guys. So using 2 trees from the Dollar Tree, I needed to make a beautiful little display tree for my craft room. So I thought I would bring you guys along as I did it to show you how easy this is. I'm also going to be using 6 of these little garlands from the Dollar Tree. So I removed the trees and fluffed them up, well, as best as possible. They are from the Dollar Tree and they are a little sparse, but they're only $1, so you can't expect too much. So I thought maybe if I put these two together and line them up and then use those garland ties around the center of them, and it serves 2 purposes. It keeps those trees together, but it also gives the illusion of fullness. And then you can also add more of the garland ties once you're done attaching these 2 together and put those around the center as well to create more limbs for the tree. I ended up using 6 garland ties, and that really made this tree super full and super cute. So if you add up the garland ties, the 2 trees, and if you want to use a bucket as a base, this tree costs $4. And I don't know where you can go and get a tree this cute for $4. So this was pretty exciting. So as I told you before, I used the garland ties in between the areas that didn't have branches. And it really made this full. And it gave the illusion of fullness too. So then if you want even a fuller tree, just take more garland ties, wrap them around to create more branches on your tree. Like I said, only use 6. Then I used a can of this spray snow and I sprayed the tree to give it that flocked look. Now this does take some time to dry. It's not a quick drying process. I left the tree probably about 24 hours to fully dry, but I did add a lot of this snow. I heard Dollar Tree now sells this, but I got mine from Walmart. But I think you can get it from Dollar General too. I'm obsessed with flock trees, so I had to do it. I added a little bit of hairspray around the tree to try to keep it from making a mess. Now, in a previous video, I showed you how to take a tin from Dollar Tree to make this cute little Christmas tree bucket. And I'm going to be using that bucket as the base for my Christmas tree. It's super cute, so check out that video if you haven't seen it. I just cut down some floral foam, put it in the bucket. I pushed the trees, they're both together. I pushed them into the floral foam, and then I added a little bit of moss. Now, I did add some ribbon to my tree, but I ended up not really liking the ribbon, so I took it off. But I did take one of those jingle bells, and I used that as the topper to my tree, because I did want a top on it. Even though I'm using this tree to display some of the Christmas ornaments in upcoming videos, you can decorate this tree any way you want. It's so cute. But to do the topper, I flipped over one of these bells, and I just pulled some of the branches through the bottom. And then I repositioned the garland that came on the bell on top. And I thought that was really cute. How cute is this tree? Oh my goodness, I love it. And this is just a quick video to show you what you can absolutely achieve with a couple Dollar Tree trees. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please consider subscribing, ring that bell, and hit that like button. It helps me out so much. I love y'all. I hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.